What's up guys, Cody, Southeast Softwash. We wanted to shoot a video today because we've got a new piece of kit on one of our trailer builds here. So we're gonna go through this pretty quick. I'm gonna do a longer form video. A link will be down below of that, of the whole trailer system. So if you wanna see this badass trailer, but here, we're just gonna look at this system right here. So we get a lot of requests in the last few years for window cleaning stuff. That ain't a big industry here in Roanoke, Podunk, Alabama, but it is a big thing out there in the wide world. So you guys know about window cleaning. It's probably even bigger than pressure washing. Tons of money can be made. So we've partnered with Tucker, #1 name in the game for window cleaning systems. And Tucker's got a lot of different options. They've got the little carts you can pull around. We've got all their stuff. I really like this system, especially on our trailer build. So let me show you kind of how this thing works overall on this particular build setup. This is our feed hose. So we're gonna connect this incoming line to the customer spigot. That's our supply line for the trailer. That's gonna feed our washers going into that big tank. We got 2 washers here, and it's also going to divert right here, just the way we do it. We're gonna divert over with this selector to our incoming line for the window cleaning system. And this is gonna get us pure water out at the final stage. We're gonna get pure water outbound over there on that hose reel. So what we're doing is we're taking in incoming whatever it is, right? Tap water, and we're gonna get that as clean as possible for pure water cleaning of glass, which is very big money, but it can be very hard to do if you don't have the right setup, and this is, I think, a killer setup. So water's coming in, it's going over here, and this is gonna be our primary stage filter, which is a pure carbon filter. So we're gonna take out all the fat stuff here. Then at the bottom, we're gonna go over to our pump. We got a 12-volt pump here. This is all Tucker's setup. We just installed it here on the trailer. So they've got a pump that's gonna suck through here and then outbound that water to the next stage, which is gonna be these 2 filters, and these are RO filters. So we're taking out another layer of sediment. Then we're gonna go to the final stage, which is our DI filter. And out here, we're gonna go over here to our meter, and we can cut this on. This is pretty cool. And we've got an inlet, and you guys can see it's zeroed out right now because it's not running. But earlier, we were testing it here in the shop, and we're bringing in a number, and we're outbounding 0 parts per million. So it'll fluctuate depending on what house you're hooked up to. We oddly have fairly clean water here at the shop, but the outbound side is 0 parts per million. So that's really, really neat. You can see that you're sending it to the hose reel clean. Got our switch for the pump right there. Dump line here for the big stuff. We're gonna get all that big sediment. And the way we did it is we just dumped it under the trailer. It's just water, just dirty water. We'll get it out from under the rig and dump the fat crap out the bottom. So this works as a single standalone unit. Now we've done some fab work back here to make it really rock solid. We've got 2 pieces of 2-inch tubing all raptor lined up really nice. So we could mount this thing here on the side. Easy, eye level, easy to get to. When you do have to change these filters out eventually, it's gonna be very, very simple and straightforward to do. Pump's easy to get to as well. So if we come around to the other side of the trailer, the final outbound water is gonna come out the bottom, and we've got that routed right over here to our window cleaning hose reel on a 12-inch real big deal. So we've got a whole bunch of hose on there, and then we'll be able to thread, well, the customer, they'll be able to thread this into their pole, and they've got their extension pole. We went ahead and added him a piece of pipe, went ahead and raptor lined all that down so it's matching the trailer, and it'll sit right there ready to go. And this is all the extendable sections of the pole. Then he's got his brushes and different attachments he can put on this extension pole, which is really nice as well. So this is your working side of your trailer. Let's say you're at a shopping mall and you're gonna clean glass, right? Pull the trailer up, pull your pole off. Probably wouldn't even extend it in those scenarios, but if you're going up to 3 stories, 4 stories, he can just daisy chain that stuff out, hook up his water, do his thing, and make a ton of money. Not only pressure washing, not only soft washing, but now from Southeast Softwash, the best in the game, Tucker, the best in the game, pure water window cleaning. Guys, we like it. If you want to get in on some window cleaning action, check out the links down below. Check out Tucker. We like working with those guys over there. We're the best, so we only like working with the best. I'll say it like that. Hope you guys are having a great week. We'll see you in the next video.